Well, I'm going to totally ruin these jeans by painting them with some bleach. So watch me as I ruin a pair of really cheap jeans. These were only £9, so I'm going to give it a go, see what they look like. Turns out that I'm already bored of doing this. So anyway, I thought I'd show you the process up close. So basically, what I got to do is find my little bit of plastic. So I got this little bit of plastic as a template, line it up, and use this biro, just a bit of rough mark, and I'm trying to match it up the other side, like that. Notice that they're not always matching, but it's like a rough thing. Doesn't really matter. A bit like that. I think the main thing is to, because it's seeped through to the other side, so it's going to go white this side. Anyway, so I've got to do something. But yeah, bored of it now. Bored of it, and I think it looks pretty rubbish as well. Yeah. That'll do. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not really interested. But let me just whack it on, mate. And I've got to line it up with that side there. Line it up with this side here. It's very exciting. Because there, look, my line didn't actually reach. But I'm getting less, getting a bit more slapdash now. I think I need to go over it again as well, because it's not going massively white. I want it white, really. Anyway, I think I'll do that time-lapse thing again. But yeah, I'm bored of it. Well, here's the final article, and I think you'd agree they're fairly impressive. Look at these. They've come out quite nice and white all the way round. I need a belt with this, to be honest. One thing I would do next time is, and I'm going to do it, is put another line across here. Although I always wear a shirt, so you can't really see it. It does need another one, because I did put one around the ass, so I need to do that. But yeah, I mean, a bit different. God knows if I'll ever wear them, but that is them. Sort of convict look. Strange but true. I'm a strange fella.